Running types of people known as Sunglass Turtles, one of 446 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, alongside China, and the Philippines. And they're locally known as the Warmadog in Visayas region. Everyone, here comes our chickens! Wow, so cool! And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons are home, meaning they will be generally returned to its nest and eggs. How about our adopters for our raptors, our chicken, and our homing pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Parks, we believe that there is hope. We want to protect our friends in the sea, but also in the land and as well. Now guys, who knows the three R's? It reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. Now here's our lovely bird and they are going to show us how the proper waste disposal. See, if the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope all of you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Yeah! Well, in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take actions in saving them from all exploitation and even extinction. Please, let all do us part to save the world. Because remember, this is the only home we have got. Scientific name is Kakatsuwa calicensis. These birds come from eastern Indonesia and they are the largest among the white birds. Oh my God! Wow! We started our long applause for Jaka with Rainer Jim. Hello everybody, welcome to Manila Ocean Parks All-Star Bird Show with me, Rainer Jim. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these cases or top. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Middle! Okay, let's put it right here. Now, let's call our sighting bird Gazelle. Gazelle is our super crested kakatsu. Scientific name is Kakatsuwa calarita. Common inhabitants of the woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud bird and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Gazelle has the ability to find the hidden object? Well, yes, let's say, you can do it, Gazelle! You can do it, Gazelle! So Gazelle, find the hidden object for us.
Nice!
And here for Gazelle with Rainer wins. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy! 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 Very good. So how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Rocky! 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 Very well. So, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here's Rocky for the first ball, followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a tie for the last ball. Who's gonna win? And Rocky wins! Trainer Mikey, what can you say about that? You lose this time. Hold it, we want another race. Oh, she wants another race, Trainer Birds.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
No! This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
Oh. So what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race. And what is a ring race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race. So, the ring race shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's cheer Sassy to win this time. And we will do this again, and this time a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocky for the first win. Hey, what's happening? Sassy, bigyan lang natin yung set for second time. And the winner is Sassy! Then the birds, what do you say about that?
Hey, you guys cheated!
You think we cheated?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, it is true,
Sana
all. Boys. I don't know what for Sassy and Rocky. Trainer Mikey and Trainer Birds. Going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape box into the bird's hand. Just like Sassy, greenwing macaws from South America, they are the gentle judges next to the highest account. They can throw up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. Scientific name is Arachloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salt, minerals, all the river banks. And for the last shade, come on, Sassy. There you go, intelligent right around the applause for Sassy, Dreamer Mike. Rocky. Wow, Rocky, what a beautiful entrance. Trainer first, Rock ready? Go Rocky, solve the equation for us. And he gets the first number correct. So how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
While you're singing along, harmonize with the rest.
And he gets the number 2. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. For Rocky, Trainer first. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone wants to be a lucky volunteer? Just raise your hand. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy just donated the money for our donor. Ma'am, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that in Lawson Park is also a rescue center for birds?
No, but that's good to hear.
Well, now your money will go a long way and we are very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show.